Good morning. We are en route from Kawasaki to Noda in northern Tokyo to go check out aunsport. There, take some pictures. We're going to see what's about. 진짜 大丈夫。水。How old is the shop?
Actually, my company really started 1957. My grandfather started the company.
See it. 코치, 大丈夫。本当に。ありがとう。ありがとう。This place is absolutely amazing. And what it has to mean in Japan. Watashi wa suburo otaku de. すごい。うん。 なんでaunsport 名前
Father decided to like mixing French and English. And is French number one.
Number one sport for rally day.
I don't know exactly. He explained. So I know. So overseas customers can very hard to pronounce. Yeah.
難しい大丈夫で。No way. I'm shaking.
You want to take share 22B? Yeah, father say okay.
Can I grab my other camera? Your butt. Absolutely crazy. This is so nuts. I've just been given the opportunity to shoot a very rare Subaru here in Noda, northern Tokyo. You can see it right there behind me. It is the Subaru STI 22B. I'm kind of lost for words about being afforded this opportunity here. Still a little bit shaking because I didn't expect that I would be around this car today. But yeah, let's kind of get into it. How long has the car been in the family for?
Maybe 2 years. My father passed. He won.
Okay. And you look very young. No sauce. Tabe. What is your...
ありがとう。もうランスポーツ PR
そう素晴らしいね。 あ、ごめん、私はジョンです。はじめまして。父さん。
そうでいや
そうそう、父さんね。父さんね。すみません。これはだあ、すみません。ごめんね。ありがとう。ありがとう。Oh, well, finally made it home. What a day. Absolute crazy day. But I tell you what, it was definitely a day that I am always going to remember. Hey. Oh, did I pass? Look, wrong turn, boys.